Nikki. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is June 23rd. Damn, I almost forgot the day. I'm out here with my son. Out here with Nikki. We're out here looking for some elk horns, so hopefully stay tuned. We might be able to pull some out.
On the board. Little rag, but it's something. Hopefully find more. Thank you. Number 2 of the day. The buckhorn mule deer. Ah, chalker. Many more to come.
Let's check it out. Nice. You tell nobody been in that area forever. How about that one? Let's see that one. Oh yeah. Little brownie. Nice. Okay. We were just out here enjoying the rain. The hilltop. It's coming down pretty good, so we might end up walking back down. You guys hear the thunders? It's kind of terrain we're walking in today. We got deadfall everywhere. Thinning plot was here years ago, I guess. So we're in this, constantly picking our legs up. It's raining pretty good. We didn't bring no raincoats, nothing. But it's good though. It's alright. Let's go find some more. If not, back to the truck. It's actually hailing. Sun sitting under a tree for a little bit. Yeah, it's gonna let this pass. Oh yeah. It's hailing pretty good. We're just sitting right under Douglas fir, waiting for the hail to stop so we can head back down. Love that thunder. Oh man. Oh yeah, I got one. We're all soaked. Check us out. We're wet, man. This is what you get when you come unprepared. It's crazy. It's okay though. Paid off. I found a brown walking back down, soaked. Oh yeah. Look at the size of it held on us earlier. And look at the size of those hails. Man, oh man, that hurts when it hits your head, your shoulders. Little brownie. Not bad. Oh yeah. And right and open. Nice. Well, we're on our way back down to the truck. We just got the rain just dumped right on us. Hell like crazy, so we duck and dodge. We're laying under some of these Douglas firs, and it was coming down hard. So we decided to stop for a while, and we stopped, which we shouldn't have because it rained right after, and it rained, constantly raining. So we're all out here soaked, walking back down to the truck. But after all, come out with 2 browns and a deer horn, so hopefully we'll try to find some more on the way back down.